Good morning and Merry Christmas, folks. Check out the socks I got. Pretty cool, eh? It's not a very good shot. ATV. Anyways, it's time to give away this exhaust system. So we just put the link in here. We're loading comments. Huge thanks to our friend Trevor Brown at Dirtylife.ca for hooking us up with this exhaust, man. It's much appreciated. And if you guys are looking for ATV or UTV add-ons, I highly suggest you check him out. Great guy to deal with. Pick the winner, drum roll. Quadding Zeus. Well, he's not looking for an exhaust system. We did ask you guys to be specific in the comments. Mention the make and model of your bike because we want to ensure it goes to somebody who can utilize it. Little shout out for my buddy Q here. Check him out on YouTube. Awesome channel. Anyways, back up, load comments. Away we go. Pick a winner, please and thank you. Comment on the lights, not specific to the exhaust system. Pick a winner. Who we got? We got Elemental ATV. Yeah. We know he's not looking for an exhaust system, but he has a great YouTube channel as well. Him and Q both getting shoutouts. How about that? Let's try it again. Here we go. Pick a winner, pick a winner. We got Michael Taylor, and he is also not looking for an exhaust system. Who'd have thought it'd been so hard with 184 comments? And I know there are a lot of Players Boys on there looking to grab this exhaust system. So who's going to win it? We got Randy, and he's not looking for it either. Just to love it. We wanted a specific comment, remember. So here we go. You got to pay attention to the videos in these giveaways, boys. Random stuff. Nah, I would just take a bunch of survival flashlights and do some slap them on there. That's pretty funny. He's talking about the lights. We're going back to try again. This is like 6 or 7 comments. Hey, well, I'm sold again. We're going again. We're a lot of comments, 184, so it's bound to happen. Pick a winner. We got Greg C. I'd like to win. I'd like to enter the contest for the RJWC exhaust for the Sportsman. Would sound excellent on my 2017 850. Well, that sounds like a winner to me. Greg C, you just got yourself an RJWC dual slip-on courtesy of Dirtylife.ca and ATV. Right on. Cheers. Merry Christmas. And happy holidays to all you folks out there. Talk to you soon. Cheers.
Untouched trail, buddy. Once you get up there with a... Oh, that's pretty cool. body racks in here. I don't think I need the balaclava today. I think that's coming off. She is beautiful. Yeah, it's pretty firm. I mean, but no, it's soft.
Okay. A little brake.
Yeah, have a little break.
Just drive on that.
How's the battery?
Probably getting down. Now you got like a quarter, I guess.
You got half.
Yeah.
All right, take a little break.
Yeah.
Or no little break. You're gonna hit it, aren't you? You're not even gonna wait?
I think it'll break up.
Oh, it will. Yeah.
All you gotta do is head right there.
Just,
Right in there.
yeah. Well, we'll get to it.